Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam and Chill, and the title of the video is called "Cops Put Burglary Suspect to Sleep." Oh man, that's crazy. They took him out. Let's see how this go.
On July 29th, 2024, around 3:20 a.m., Los Angeles officers responded to a radio call of a burglary suspect. When the officers arrived, they met with the person who had called the police and were told the suspect, later identified as 31-year-old Lavell Adams, attempted to break into his home before breaking his elderly neighbor's window and entering her residence, causing her to flee. Shortly thereafter, the woman's house was set on fire. Los Angeles Fire Department personnel responded and also observed Adams inside the residence. While inside the residence, officers attempted to take Adams into custody.
And he set the joint on fire?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
It looks like they're having sex in the bedroom. Yeah. That's what? Being yeah. Where? To the right. You guys got a couple of hiding in the closet here. Having sex. Big interest. What was that? Closet. They're hiding and they're having sex. Open the door. Is it open? No. Yeah, they're in here. It's the police department. Open the door. You guys don't this one? So? I have not checked that. Okay. I just checked that last one. LAPD, open the door, or we won't kick it in.
Hey, this is the LAPD. Let's go. You need to come outside. Hurry up. You need to come out. Let's go. Hey, we have a police. Hey, we have a police dog on the way. He may inflict injury and you may end up getting hurt. I recommend you come out. Let's go.
In other words, you better act right. Tighten up.
Hey, boss, what's your name?
Want some light over your thing?
Yeah.
Give me some light.
You talking to them?
No.
Hey, boss, what's your name? Pop that screen.
Yeah.
I'm here to encourage you, brothers and sisters, trying to paint to you a better picture. Everything I say, I back it up with the scripture.
I don't have a screen. You guys see what's up?
No.
Hey, boss.
Hey, Sarge, be advised he might have a
This one's standing right here? Yeah. He's over in the corner. Okay. Hey, boss. He's not gonna talk, huh?
I don't see him. Unless I stick my head in there. No,
Okay.
Back in the day?
Stand behind cover there.
Yes.
Hey.
Doors opening?
No. No. Start this.
You just sit over?
You guys hear me?
Hello, the clock.
Roger. Unit to the front door. We copy you. Just, is he going to be walking outside? Or are you guys giving him commands?
I'm trying to talk to him now.
Trying to talk now.
What's your name, buddy?
Roger.
What's your name?
We'll give you guys an update.
You want to stand up for me?
I gotta thank Yahweh for being the chosen seed of Israel.
Country singer.
Celebration of the saints
What's your name, boss?
of Yah.
I got you. Hey, I'm holding the
Advise him that I'm making a trade. Do not move, sir. Do not move. Do not move. Stand your ass up. Face away from me. Let's go. Now.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand your ass up.
Stand up.
Recording.
I got me back. All right. I got me back. got your hands? Hey, let me see your hands, man. Let me see your hands.
I'm happy.
Put your hands up.
I'm naked.
I don't care. Stand up.
I'm naked.
I don't care.
I'm naked. I have my woman with me.
Put your hands
I
up.
have my woman with me.
Hey, just show us that you don't have anything in your hands.
I
Put
don't
your
have
hands
anything in
up.
my hands.
Step on the bed.
Oh, he lying.
Step on the bed.
Yeah.
Step on the bed.
Step on the bed. Go that way. Go that way.
I don't have anything.
I don't care.
Show me your
Stand
hands.
up.
I don't have anything.
Show me your hands.
I don't have anything.
Get your hands up now.
Stand up.
Now.
I don't have anything.
Step on the bed.
I don't have anything.
Hey, we're gonna come grab you if you don't show us your hands.
Bro, I don't have anything.
I don't care. Stand
Get your
up.
hands up.
Bro, I don't have
Get your
anything,
hands
bro.
up right now.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Where you going, bro?
Get off the bed. Come on. Come on out.
You don't got a choice.
Bro.
Get your hands up.
Bro.
Move that. Step off me. I'll move that chair out the way.
I got you at the party.
Dude, just get your hands up.
I don't have anything. I have
Hey, if
my
you
phone.
move, we will shoot.
I don't have anything.
Chair out the way. Move the dress.
I don't have anything. Got the 40. Go that way.
Move the dress.
I got him here. I got eyes.
Got eyes?
I can't see it right in. Only
Okay.
inside.
Well, let's get out the way. Somebody cover down on him.
I got him.
Alrighty. Hey, man, just show us your hands, man. That's all I need to see right now.
I'm stuck. Yep.
Show us your hands, man. Hey, bro. His hands are clear. Show us your hands. Go ahead and grab his hand.
Stand up.
Two of you guys go through up. One, grab him. Hey, don't do anything stupid. Keep your hands in. Don't move.
Oh! Oh!
Drop the nut.
I got it.
Shots fired. No shots. Beat back.
Get beat back. Stand by. Beat back.
Oh, boy.
Left hand. Hey, do not move.
Move.
Do not move.
That boy got that thing on him, boy.
The knife is in front of the right left.
Don't move.
You just shot me, bro.
Oh, man.
Beat back, move.
Oh, yeah.
Leave the knife.
Do not touch the knife.
Oh, yeah. It's about to go down, boy.
Anybody shoot? Anybody shooting here?
Not me. Not me.
Okay, step back. Step back. Step back.
Do not touch the knife. You're going to get the beat back again.
Retreat, retreat.
Do not touch the knife.
That boy said retreat.
Touch the knife. Okay. Hey, he's covering himself.
It's all right. It's all right.
Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out.
Abort mission. Abort mission.
That's fine. You good. Step out. Everybody out? Okay, go back to the front. Is
Everybody out?
Everybody's out.
You good? You guys good?
You guys good? Anybody fired?
No, sir.
Okay, we're good.
SWAT responded and were establishing containment when Adams exited the residence through a side window covered with a blanket.
He's hopping out. He's out.
Sir.
Hey, this the next morning? God dang. They've been dealing with him all night.
Come on over here. We're gonna get you some help. Come on over here. Come this way. No one's gonna hurt you if you come over here. There you go. Show me your hands, please. I just want to make sure there's nothing in your hands and come this way. Sir, it's safer for you over here. It's not very safe over there. I want you to come over here where it's safe. Get on your knees, you're gonna get hit, and it's gonna hurt. If you don't want to get hurt, get on your knees. Get on your knees, get on the ground. All the way down on the ground.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo, pause. He said, get out on your knees. If you don't get on your, this gonna hurt. Yo, what he said? Hey, yo, what he said? Yo, the way he said that sounds so crazy. Like,
I want you to come over here where it's safe.
come over here where it's safe.
Get on your knees, you're gonna get hit, and it's gonna hurt.
Oh,
If you don't want to get hurt, get on your knees.
flagrant foul, bro. What?
Get on your knees, get on the ground. All the way down on the ground. Get on the ground. We think you have a knife. Then get on the ground and follow my commands, or
All
you're
right.
gonna get hurt.
That sound better. Those
It's not gonna
commands
feel
sound
good.
better.
Get on your knees. Drop the blanket now. Drop the blanket now. If you don't drop that blanket, you're gonna get hit. If you move, you're gonna
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.